Over 50,000 practitioners switch to practice better. Should you be next? In this honest review, I'm breaking down everything from the official website, features, pros, cons, and real user quotes, plus a simulated demo of how this EHR software actually works. Let's start with what people love. A chiropractor called it ideal digital health record system after testing 4 or 5 others, while a psychologist said it saves every penny spent by cutting admin headaches. Key strengths include full, secure and confidential storage of personal health information, customizable charting templates because we don't love notes as clinicians, and the ability for clients to reschedule themselves. The integration with That Clean Life is another standout. You can add meal plans directly to protocols and even use AI-powered health insights to educate clients. There are 4 pricing tiers for a healthcare practice management platform. The starter plan costs $25 per month and is designed for new practitioners, including 1 practitioner license, 10 clients, 1 GB storage, scheduling, telehealth video chat, integrated billing, secure messaging, client portal, forms and note templates, and 20+ integrations. The professional plan at $69 per month builds on starter with 300 clients, 5 GB storage, group scheduling, group messaging, fixed date programs, PDF branding, account deposits, Zapier integrations, and enhanced search. The Plus plan, priced at $99 per month and marked as recommended, adds unlimited clients and storage, evergreen and self-paced programs, portal branding, personalized URL, SMS text reminders, broadcast messaging, dedicated fax number, and done-for-you program templates. Finally, the Team plan at $155 per month targets group practices with 2 practitioner licenses, unlimited admin licenses and clients, custom roles and permissions, team scheduling, advanced workflows, team reporting. All plans offer a free start option with annual billing discounts available. See you later, my dear.